So, we've got one of these Basin mates from Thomas Dudley. It's on Basin mates. Basically, a big ass rubber washer. So, let's open it up. Rubber washer, a bit of a foam washer, and this plastic back nut there. And then does that go under there? Yeah, I'm guessing so. So that goes on that like that. So on there, do we use mastic still on there, or do we use the rubber seal? Because I yet to find a rubber seal, especially the top rubber seal that seals like it says it's gonna. So I think we should put mastic on top of there still, and that underneath with, yeah,